This is our family's second antique car. We have two of them. This is a 1948 Bedford K series truck. It too has been sitting down in a barn in Queensland, in Kingaroy, Queensland. And this is going to be the first car we're going to get roadworthy because it's in better condition. And I'll take you guys for a quick tour around it. That's the tray or bed of it. That's our pool fence. This is the cab. I don't think you guys can see it. Let me just get my lead light. Alright, I have my light with me. Alright, and this is the interior, or the cab of it. Steering wheel, dash, other door. It's only a two-seater because it's a ute. The mirror, the floor, all the pedals. And over there in the background, that's the shifter. And this is the engine. It's a Chevy motor. It's a straight 6. I think it's a 12, and it's a 6-volt motor. So I'll do a cold start for you guys, and I'll put the camera down and I'll start it up. Because this thing is quite old, it has a battery isolator switch on, so I have to turn that on. Alright, key on. Here it goes. And she starts up pretty well because we just put a fresh battery in it. Look, there's the fan running. There's all the spark plugs. She runs pretty well for an ancient 1948 car. Alright, that's all from me, and I'll probably do another video of when we actually get it running with the number plates on it. That's all. See ya.